हम वैलिडेशन के इतने मोहताज हो चुके हैं कि इट इज़ आई थिंक probably the greatest pandemic of this current century. Social media has exploited everybody into believing that you all should be rich, famous, be traveling abroad, have the best physiques possible, have the best cars, have the best phones, have the best house. Validation ने मार दिया. It's the root cause of every evil I personally see nowadays. Losing 2 kids, losing my mom, losing your own child and then bearing them with your own hands. I think that changes you as a person. मेरे पास इतना वक्त नहीं था कि अगर मैं उसके अंदर में उस खाई में गिर जाता तो बाकियों को कौन देखता. मेरी sense of responsibility did not allow me to lose myself.
Talaju, the rapper, the musician.
Yes.
He had to apologize for holding up the Indian flag. अब वो सही है या गलत है?
At the end of the day, I still think that politics and sports and all of these things should be kept separately. If you have decided, if one country has decided to totally boycott the other country, then you should, probably do it at all ends, not just on one front.
तो आपकी ज़िंदगी का मकसद क्या है?
मेरी ज़िंदगी का मकसद is everything you just mentioned. Being a good human being, being a good Muslim, being a good father, being a good husband, being a good friend. And at the same time having the best car and the best phones.
Colleges में, schools में, the rampant nature of drugs in Pakistan right now.
I think it's unfair. आजकल मैं दिखता भी हूँ lots of people criticizing the younger generation. Criticizing them is you criticizing yourself.
बिल्कुल.
They weren't born with it. वो सीखे तो नहीं आए थे. एंड होते हमने पैसे को खुदा मान लिया. हमने पैसे को खुशी की और कामयाबी का एक आखिरी ज़ामिन बना दिया.
और क्या आप बचपन से रिलीजियस थे?
I have been born in a very religious family. Bodybuilding and fitness, like I've always said, are 2 entirely different entities. Do not confuse the both.